In this video, I'll show you how to put two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. Ensure you subscribe and turn on notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, this works both on PC and on smartphones. So ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you right now. Head over to your Facebook account. This is a Facebook account, right? Click on this on your profile. Click on the settings and privacy. Click on the settings, right? Wait for it to load up. So yeah, this is it. These are our Facebook settings. So you're going to click on this personal details, right? Click on personal details. Right now, from the personal details option, you're going to see the profile, connected experiences, password and security, personal details. You're going to see all this, right? So click on this password and security, right? Once you have clicked on it, you'll be displayed with other options right here. This is the change password. This everything you need to know, right? Everything you need to know. So you're going to click on this two-factor authentication, right? This is an extra layer security for your Facebook account. So choose an account to set up this, right? You're going to just click on this right away. Once you have clicked on it, everything is going to go through, right? So I'm not going to click on it because it's basically a tutorial video. So this is how you can do this. The password and security, you're going to click on it, this two-factor authentication. Then you're going to turn on a new security layer for your Facebook account, right? For your Facebook account protection, safety, security, and everything. So this is how you can put two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm going to see you all in the very next